And now Meno responds, and here we're getting the paradox of inquiry. So that's, you see the number 5, which is halfway between D and E, it looks like. Meno, this is Meno speaking. And how are you going to search for this, Socrates, when you don't have the faintest idea what it is? Which of the things that you don't know will you suppose that it is when you're searching for it? And even if you do come across it, how are you going to know that this is the thing you didn't know? Okay, we're beginning to see the question. There's a paradox. Now, what is a paradox? Well, let's jump over to the internet again, and I'll go back to Google, and we'll Google the word paradox. In fact, before we get our answer, why don't you guys take out a piece of paper and write down, what do you guys think, what's your definition of a paradox? If you don't know, that's okay. Stop the video, you'll start it. I'm not just going to sit here and wait for a while. You guys do this as part of your class exercise. Okay, so now you're back. Paradox. Wikipedia has an answer. We have a dictionary definition right over here. And let's take a look. Let me scroll up a little so we can look at the dictionary reference. And anytime you have a problem like this with a word, you really should jump over into the dictionary and make sure you have a clear understanding. Well, at dictionary.com, it says it's a noun. The first one, a statement or proposition that seems self-contradictory or absurd, but in reality expresses a possible truth. Second one, a self-contradictory false proposition. We're really looking at that primary definition over here for our paradox when we're talking about the paradox of inquiry. And what is it? It's how are you going to search for this? What's he searching for? Excellence, Socrates, when you don't have the faintest idea what it is. Which of the things that you don't know? Keep in mind, he says he doesn't know anything, so there are a lot of things he doesn't know. He doesn't know what justice is. He doesn't know what truth is. He doesn't know a lot of these things. He says, which of these things that you don't know will you suppose that it is when you're searching for it? And even if you do come across it, let's say you find excellence. You find excellence, even if you don't know. How are you going to know that's the thing that you didn't come across? Wow. Interesting. What do you guys think the answer to the question is so far? I mean, this is a very interesting point. How can you come to know something? How can you come to learn? Remember, we're talking paradox of inquiry. It's coming to learn something, gaining knowledge. I mean, it looks like he's telling you can never possibly learn, or at least Socrates can never. Socrates shouldn't be sitting here at Kingsborough with you guys because he can't possibly come to know anything.